present burning topic is the role of judiciary when law is silent. While going to the facts, in a landmark judgment on April 8, 2025, the Supreme Court deemed that Tamil Nadu governor's refusal to assent to 10 state bills as illegal and unconstitutional. However, the Supreme Court laid down time-bound guidelines for governors under Article 200. Therefore, exercising powers vested upon her, the President has made a 14 points reference to the Supreme Court for its consideration and opinion. This is the present burning topic. So, at this stage, if we observe both the 14-point reference by the President of India as well as the judgment of the Supreme Court passed in the state of Tamil Nadu versus the governor, both of these moving around 5 points. What are those 5 points means? First one is options before the governor under Article 200, and the second one is constitutional discretion by the President under Article 201, and the third one is judicial orders imposing timeline to the governors, and the fourth one is constitutional discretion by the governors under Article 200, and the fifth one is exercise of Article 142 by the Supreme Court. So, both the 14-point reference by the President as well as the judgment of the Supreme Court passed in the state of Tamil Nadu versus the governor, moving around these 5 points only. Particularly, the Supreme Court in this present judgment passed in the state of Tamil Nadu versus the governor mentioned that it relied on its own judgment passed in BK Pavitra Supra. BK Pavitra Supra. What was held in that judgment here, that is very important. What was discussed in that judgment means the nature and scope of discretionary powers of the governor to act independent of or contrary to aid and advice of the Council of Ministers under Article 163 was discussed in that judgment, and the Supreme Court mentioned this judgment in the present judgment of the Supreme Court passed in the state of Tamil Nadu versus governor. So, at this present situation, what is the role of judiciary when law is silent? When law is silent means in the absence of specific legal provisions, courts may rely on general principles of law or common law or other legal sources to fill the gap and make a determination. Why? Because this means judiciary plays a crucial role in coordinating the executive and the legislature by upholding the constitution and ensuring that laws are interpreted and applied fairly. Judiciary acts as a check on other two branches by reviewing its actions for constitutionality and resolving disputes between them. This includes declaring either the laws or the actions of the other two branches unconstitutional if those violates fundamental rights and the constitution. So, at this stage, if the Union of India is not satisfied with the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court passed in the state of Tamil Nadu versus the Governor, it can move or file review petition and thereafter curative petition before the Supreme Court of India.